Good morning, everyone. We're doing a furnace replacement today from a Bryant Plus 80. It's from the 90s. Removing the AC, add an AC. Got to run some new vents. Probably running up through here. And then we're going to go in that corner. Probably right through there. That's going to be fun. Okay, so for those that aren't familiar with a lock former, I got this thing online probably 15 years ago. But there's a bunch of little wheels in here that spin, and then one does something, and it just folds everything over, and you run it through here, and it comes out this end, and then this is what you get is a lock former. And then this is what connects. You do your quarters on the brake, and then the quarters go in here, then you fold this over, and then that basically locks everything in place. So yeah, it's nice having this on site. My brake too. I can custom make pretty much anything, mostly anything. When it gets to the crazy radiuses and stuff, I have issues with that because I don't have a roller, none of that stuff, but this works great. And on this side, I don't use it too much. I may start doing it, but I can actually make cleat or drive, not S-lock, so drive. I can make the drive. Obviously drive is this stuff here. That's what you do. That's how you connect the two pieces of ductwork together after you make your ears, and obviously it's the S-lock. So there's my hole. You can see I did that other one a little bit bigger, so I got some room to move that concentric around inside. Let's get to work. Drink up, little buddy. Here. Wasn't real thirsty. I'm going to be checking gas pressures. I'm going to be doing static pressures. I'm going to take the limit off and then run it through the probe there and get my static pressure, make adjustments as need be. Alright, getting ready to fire this up for the first time. Got my probes, temperature diff, and then static pressure ready to go. Houston, we have ignition. adjust the static pressure here in a few minutes. Open that door up. Let this run for a few minutes, and then I'll adjust the blower speed to bring that static pressure down a little bit. What do you guys like? Do you guys like field piece or testo? I'm a multi-tool user, so I got a little bit of everything. I do like the field piece because you can run everything off one app, which is nice. Adjust those speed settings on the blower. Be right back. Alright, we've been running for about 15 minutes here. So I got the static pressure dialed down. We're at delta T about 41.2, and we're looking good on combustion. So I say we're dialed right in. It's actually running more efficient than what it's rated for. So yeah, that's we're dialed in. So all right, so yeah, we here's the vents. They turned out all right. Got them vented out outside, concentric, and yeah, All set. Got my tape on the return air. Yeah, it turned out nice. Coming back in the spring to do the AC. So yeah, we're done here. So everything's all sealed. Metal turned out decent. Nice and sealed. So yeah, on to the next one.
If you're not using Advantage heating and cooling, you're getting screwed.